Padded ba yung armrest ni Veloz, and what about yung cover ng center storage compartment? Tara, sagutin natin yan. So as I've mentioned on my videos, one of the things that I think Toyota could improve on the Toyota Veloz is yan nga yung kanyang center armrest. I believe it's a bit too narrow. Medyo masikip yan pag dalawang tao kayo. And in my opinion, hindi pa yan masyadong foamy. May katigasan din po yan. Padded naman siya but still a little bit matigas on my opinion. Now, hindi naman siya deal breaker, but if you really want that comfort on your center armrest, I highly recommend this product right here, guys. I've been using this since my Toyota Vios days, and it's very easy to install. Ayan, may extra pocket pa yan to put your phone or your coins or whatever. As you can see, very easy to install, guys, and may lock pa yan para hindi talaga matanggal. And with regards to your second question, wala po yung center storage cover gaya ng ibang sasakyan. But I have a link that I always update with the products that I appreciate and I like. So go ahead and check my profile, follow for more.